Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use iTunes gift cards for Netflix. First, it's important to understand that you cannot directly apply an iTunes gift card to a Netflix account. Instead, you'll need to add the gift card's value to your Apple ID balance. This balance can then be used for various purchases within the App Store, including subscribing to Netflix through their iOS app. This method allows you to indirectly leverage your iTunes gift card for your streaming enjoyment. To begin, open the App Store on your Apple device, like an iPhone or iPad. Next, tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the option to redeem gift card or code. Carefully enter the 16-digit code from your iTunes gift card. Once entered, confirm that you want to add these funds to your Apple ID balance. This step is crucial for the process. Now that your Apple ID has funds, download the Netflix app from the App Store if it's not already on your device. Open the app and either sign up for a new Netflix account or log into an existing one. When prompted to choose a subscription plan, select your desired option. The payment will automatically be drawn from your Apple ID balance, effectively using your gift card funds for your Netflix subscription. It's a seamless way to pay. Once subscribed, you'll manage your Netflix plan directly through your Apple ID settings, not the Netflix website. Navigate to your Apple ID settings, then find the subscription section to view details, change your plan, or cancel. Remember to keep an eye on your Apple ID balance to ensure continuous service. You can always add more funds with another iTunes gift card or other payment methods. Enjoy your shows.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.